Right now, these faceless AI niches are blowing up all over social media. Take a look at this Instagram page. They've grown to an incredible 2.2 million followers just by posting cinematic cycling POV videos, and the views are absolutely insane. Some of their clips are pulling in numbers like 40.7 million views from a single video, but that's not the only niche taking off. Head over to TikTok and check out this account, Mini World ASMR. They're dominating the miniature rescue niche with over 200,000 followers and 2.4 million likes already. This video has racked up 34.5 million views, which proves just how viral this content can get. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step. And to make things super simple, we've created two powerful master prompts, one for each niche that can generate endless video ideas, image prompts, and video prompts for you. You'll find the full document linked in the comments below. So with that said, let's jump right in. Niche 1, Cinematic Cycling. Open up the master prompts document and copy the Cinematic First-Person Cycling POV prompt. Paste it directly into ChatGPT. Run the prompt and the AI will automatically generate 10 incredibly immersive video ideas. Pick any idea you like from the list. For this example, I'll choose idea number 1. Once selected, the prompt will generate both an image prompt and a standalone video prompt. You can use just the video prompt if you want to move quickly, or use the image prompt alongside it if you prefer an image to video workflow. For our visual generation, I'll test models like Kling and Seedance, compare the results, and see which one gives the best output while using fewer credits. I will use a powerful tool called Korpi, which we have actually used in previous tutorials on this channel. What I really love about Korpi is that you can find ready-made templates for the most trending niches in social media right on their dashboard. But if the exact niche you want is not listed there, you can just hit the Create New button and generate all of your visuals inside a completely blank project. Once inside, select the Video Generation tab. Here, you'll find some of the most advanced AI video models available on the market right now. For our first video, I'll test out Kling 2.6. This model allows you to generate up to a 10-second clip. Simply paste your standalone video prompt into the prompt box, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical viewing, choose how many clips you want to generate. If you have enough credits on your account, don't forget to enable the audio toggle as well to get built-in sounds. Then click Generate. Once the video is generated, you'll get a result that looks highly realistic and is more than good enough to dominate this niche. From here, you can either download the video file directly to your computer or click Add to Project. If you add it to the project, you'll find it safely stored inside your media library. From there, just drag and drop the clip directly onto the timeline. Then we will generate another clip to continue the sequence and build out our video. For the second clip, go back to ChatGPT and select idea number 2 from your generated list to get the next standalone video prompt. Copy it and head back to Korpi. This time I want to test a different model called Seedance. I selected Seedance 1.5 Pro. One major advantage of this specific model is that it can generate longer clips up to 12 seconds long. Adjust your video settings and click Generate. Here is the final result. Again, you can either download it immediately or add it to the project and place it on the timeline right next to your first clip. Now we have two beautifully connected clips that create a continuous, engaging video sequence. At this point, your sequence is complete, so you can export and render the project. Your first cycling video is officially ready to download. If you want to streamline your workflow even further, you can even connect your YouTube or TikTok account directly to Korpi AI and publish your content straight from the platform. Niche 2, Viral Mini Rescue Videos. We'll use the exact same systematic process. Go back to your master prompts document, copy the prompt for the Mini Rescue Viral Videos generator, and paste it into a fresh ChatGPT window. Just like before, it will instantly output 10 creative video ideas based on the miniature rescue theme. Choose any idea you like from the generated list. For this run, I'll select idea number 2. ChatGPT will then generate both a video prompt and an image prompt specifically tailored for that concept. Copy the standalone video prompt and head back into your Korpi editor to choose your preferred video model. Paste the prompt into the generation box. For this miniature niche, I highly recommend using Seedance to capture the detail. Click Generate and wait for the AI to work its magic. As you can see, the output looks absolutely fantastic with amazing depth of field and realistic movement. Generate additional clips using this exact same process, combine them sequentially on your timeline, and export the final project. Your second viral video is now complete. You can also effortlessly create high-quality content for multiple trending AI niches using these ready-made templates and workflows. If you want to try this out for yourself and start building your own faceless channels, the link to Korpi AI is down in the description below. Click the link, try it out, and start creating today. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to ReachMora, and I'll see you in the next one.